guide, we will show you how to link your computers to your SignCut Pro 2 subscription using a master account. First, open SignCut Pro 2. Next, click on Account, then select My Account. Scroll down and click on Create Master Account. Enter your desired email address and password. Then click Create Account. You will see a message confirming that your master account has been created successfully. You can access it anytime at account.signcutpro.com. After that, close the window. Now go back to Account and click Login to Master Account. Enter your email and password to sign in. Once logged in, go to Accounts and check that your main computer is listed. Now we will add your secondary computers to your master account. Start by opening SignCut Pro 2 on your secondary computer. Click on Help, then select About SignCut. Take note of the expiration date. This will help you identify your second computer in your master account. Next, double-click the build number to reveal the unique ID. Copy the unique ID, then paste it into your notepad and label it as your second computer. Now go back to your master account. Click Link Previous Computer. Enter the unique ID of your second computer, then click OK. Click Yes to confirm. You should now see your second computer added to the list. Use the expiration date you noted earlier to identify the correct computer. Once identified, you can rename it as Computer 2 by clicking on Set Alias. Your main computer should be the one with the active subscription. Next, click Manage on your main computer. Click Add Computer, then select Computer 2. Once done, your second computer is now linked and will share the same subscription as your main computer. Now go back to your second computer to revalidate your account. Click Account, then select Revalidate Account. To confirm, go to Help, then About SignCut and check the expiration date. You can also set your second computer as your new main computer. To do this, go back to your master account and click Manage. Find Computer 2, then click Set as Primary. Click Yes, then click Yes again when asked to keep the current expiration date. Your second computer will now have the active subscription. If needed, you can unlink your previous main computer by clicking Manage, then selecting Unlink. You may also remove a computer from the master account by clicking Remove. That's it. You can now confidently manage your master account and linked computers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more tutorials.